Ndewo onye ọbụla. Ihe nwere wetara unu taa bụ nghọta Igbo. Ihe nwere wetara na nghọta Igbo taa bụ
Open my eyes, show me who they for me. Make I know they pop rose with my enemy.
Coding and subcoding of words. Let's do some coding and subcoding of words. When you code is, you subcode s.
everyone. I am Tutor Obiamaka. What we have today is physical sports moment. Topic track event. Track event. Hi everyone. I am Tutor Obiamaka. What we have today is subsistence farming. Topic nursery planting. Nursery planting are the process of Hi everyone, I am Tutor Obiamaka. What we have today is guiding steps. Topic enabling. Hi everyone, I am Tutor Obiamaka. The school is about to close for tech time, which is the Ndewo onye ọbụla. Abụ m onye nduzi Obiamaka. Ya were wetara unu taa bụ nghọta Igbo. Hi everyone, I am Tutor Obiamaka. What we have today is simple grammar. Topic. Hi everyone, I am Tutor Obiamaka. What we have today is simple grammar. Topic interrogative pronoun.